A poutine is French fries, cheese curds covered in beef gravy. Here's how you make a classic poutine that you would find in Montreal, Quebec. Grab a large russet potato, no need to peel it, and cut it 32 times to achieve thick cut French fries. Place the cut potatoes in a bowl of super cold water and add 2 tablespoons of salt. The salt will help break down the starch and make them super crispy in the fryer. After they've soaked for at least 30 minutes, take them out and dry them thoroughly. It helps to place some paper towel on a baking tray, put a wire rack on top, add them to a wire rack with some more paper towel to make sure they're fully dry. For the first fry them for 4 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and then take them out and let them cool. Crank up the fryer to 375 and bring the French fries back and cook them for another 3 to 5 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. Take them out of the fryer and place them in a bowl and hit them with a nice amount of salt and toss it completely, and now it's time to make the beef gravy. Combine 2 cups of beef stock, a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic and onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Bring it to a simmer and add 2 tablespoons of butter. While the butter melts, combine 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with a quarter cup of cold water and then add it to the gravy to thicken it. To build the poutine, add a generous amount of the French fries to a bowl and cover those French fries in some cheese curds. Then add some of that hot beef gravy, and in theory, the residual heat should melt the cheese curds.